USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar versus Japanese yen. Before we start the analysis, this analysis is applicable for 23rd of April 2025. And yes, before I get on to the analysis, make sure if you are new to the channel, then hit the subscribe button, like the video, press the bell notification. This is something you have to do. Subscribe, like, and I have something in my mind, so let me think. In the meantime, you can check out these links as well. The first link says make money on autopilot with forex trading. Click on that link, come to this page where you can check out all these proofs. This method is mainly for newbies in case you do not want to learn the trading, which is a complicated stuff. Okay, not everybody can learn manual trading, and even if you learn, you need to have a lot of money to waste. Not invest, waste. You can't learn without losing money. Simple. Okay. So if you're a newbie and you want something on automation, check out the first link. Second link says join free Telegram. So anybody can join Telegram for free. If you want some free signals every now and then, make sure you're into my Telegram. The third link says check out best prop firm and forex brokers. So click on the third link, come to this page. And if you want to trade with somebody else's money, that's called a prop firm. If you have the talent, the skill to pass the challenge, then go and join the world's best prop firm. It's not advertising. It's really the truth. This one is the best prop firm. Just go and do it. I know what I'm talking about, okay? If you have your own money and if you need a reliable broker, then go and check out these brokers, whichever country you are in. Go and join these brokers, add your money, and get started with your forex trading journey. Coming back to the USDJPY, there's a disclaimer. My videos are for educational purposes only. I don't take any responsibilities for your profits and losses, even though I think I should leave a link below my video in which you can deposit some money as a donation or as a goodwill gesture. So just in case, I had this idea, okay? I have this idea in the coming time, in the coming future, if you are making profits using my analysis, you're making real money out there, then I will leave a link below my video and you can send whatever amount of money you like. Let's see how many people do that, okay? I am giving you this for free for now, okay? Let's see if somebody will get back to me and say, hey, TubeCore, I made money because of your video, because of your videos, and this is what I'm gonna pay you. So you'll find the link below my video. Maybe in the future, I will just do this for curiosity, okay? So it's starting with the analysis. And for scalpers, guys, if you're doing scalping, you should consider doing swing trading or long-term trading, because I don't give any entry signals for swing trader. For short-term traders. I mean that if you're trading in 5 minutes, 15 minutes, I don't look into that chart. Okay. So I am going to start with the top-down approach with weekly. Weekly, we have we have touched down the previous lows. Okay, so if you go to USDJPY weekly, you can see this week, all of these previous lows were broken. You see this long wick here, long wick knees. This low was broken. This low was broken of the previous weeks. Okay, and then now we are bouncing back. So I think weekly downtrend is over, and then we have daily time frame. In daily, we have a new low. Okay, so in daily we do not have the double bottom, but this is a long wick in the blue candle. Okay, so today is 22nd of April. So this blue candle belongs to 22nd of April 2025. And this is going to push back. Okay, so I am taking this as a pullback only. Okay, so use your Fibonacci from here until here, and I think this will pull back until somewhere 38-50%, and then it will go back down. Okay, in 4 hour, what do we have? In 4 hour, we are already pushing up. Okay, I think in 4 hour we will touch the EMA. EMA is at 142.60. I think in 4 hour we should touch the EMA and then bounce back to the downtrend. Okay, so if I come back to daily, let me see, where will you get the entry signal, in 4 hour or in a daily chart? This has a new low. Now we have to wait if this blue candle eats this red candle. Okay, if this blue candle will eat this red candle, that means we will have to touch the EMA. So we will not get the signal in 4 hours. So we have to come back to daily. In daily, we have to use our Fibonacci, which is right here. And let's make the Fibonacci table right here and cancel this. So we have to wait to go to 38%, maybe 50, maybe 61. I don't know. Okay, so as soon you touch down these levels, then you have to wait for the red confirmation candle in daily. Okay, and once After the pullback, once you have the new red candle downwards, then that's where you enter and then you take your 1:2 ratio. Okay. So am I going to enter into sell position right now in USDJPY? Absolutely no. Am I going to enter buy? If you're a scalper, you can enter buy, but I'm a swing trader. I have no rush. Okay. I hardly take 4 trades a month. Okay. In each trade, I make more than 300 pips. Otherwise, I don't enter. So in the USDJPY, I'm not entering anytime soon. I will wait for the pullback in daily. So I'll wait for the daily pullback, at least 38%, maybe 50%, I don't know. And then a red candle confirmation to go down. Otherwise, if the red candle doesn't come, that means we are going to bring the EMA. Okay. So keep watching. Today, I don't think any swing traders is supposed to go short on USDJPY. So wait for next few days and probably we will have the opportunity to enter sell in USDJPY next week somewhere. Okay, so I hope you like the video. If you like what you see, make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and check out my Telegram and check out these links. Everything's free here, I guess. Okay, I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Have a good night. I mean, it's night here where I am. Good day.